Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you have to do is to open the recents. You can either, if you've got the gestures, you can swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with 3 bars icon. Here we've got the recents, and all you have to do to close them all is to tap on close all, of course. You can close them also one by one just by swiping them up. It's up to you. However, this option is of course much easier. We just got back to the home page, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.